Have you ever been in awe of the night sky when you look up at it? You're not alone though. Hi everyone and welcome back to History Revealed, where we try to solve the universe's riddles. We're going to take you on an incredible journey to discover 10 astounding facts about our own galaxy that will cause you to reconsider your position in the cosmos. So grab a seat and let's explore the cosmic beauty that is our galaxy. First fact, did you know that the Milky Way galaxy is a huge spiral? It takes 1 billion years for light to travel across it due to its immense size. Imagine that when mammoths walked the Earth, the light we see from one end of the cosmos began its trip. The second fact is that our galaxy is headed for a collision. The Milky Way is predicted to collide with Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy, in roughly 4 billion years. Don't worry though, it's not as dramatic as it seems because galaxies are primarily empty spaces. Fact number 3, Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole, is located in the center of the Milky Way. It has an enormous mass, roughly 4 million times that of our Sun. Fact number 4, there are more than 200 billion stars in our galaxy. That equates to roughly 25 stars for each human on Earth. The Milky Way is a member of a larger family according to fact number 5. It is a member of the Local Group, a galaxy group that comprises around 50 galaxies. Fact number 6, in reality our galaxy is bending and warping. According to recent investigations, gravitational forces may have caused it to gently twist at the edges. Fact number 7. The Milky Way is ancient, approximately 13.6 billion years old, almost as old as the universe itself. Fact number 8. We live in one of the galaxy's spiral arms, called the Orion Arm, which is located about halfway from the galactic center. Did you know that the Milky Way is in motion? This is fact number 9. At an astounding speed of almost 2.1 million kilometers per hour, we are flying across space. Fact number 10. We live in a recycling champion galaxy. It is constantly recycling components from dead stars, including our own Earth's constituents, into new stars and planets. Here are some astounding facts about the Milky Way that demonstrate the extraordinary and dynamic nature of our galaxy. We live in a big, gorgeous, and ever-changing location called home. Even though we only make up a small portion of it, it permeates everything we know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space material if you like this cosmic adventure. Till then, never stop pondering and gazing up. I appreciate you viewing. To learn more about the wonders of our universe, watch these further videos. Remember to follow us on social media for daily updates and space-related knowledge. I'll see you in the upcoming video.